Hey everyone, Stavan here and welcome back to my channel Riding High Tides with India. So today's video is very interesting. It is the most discussed topic on the internet nowadays. Yes, it is a fuel additive. So we will decode which fuel additive is better and which one you should use for your petrol diesel vehicle. So without further delay, let's get it started. So let us start with the first part of our video. So why you should use fuel additive? So as you know, I have already made a few videos on ethanol blending of petrol. So now government has increased it up to 20%, and as all of us are knowing, ethanol is highly corrosive, right? So it will corrode the metal components of fueling system as well as the engine component. So to protect these components from the corrosion, we have to use fuel additive because they do contain a certain amount of anti-corrosion agent. Then the second thing, mostly the fueling is done by the injectors, right? And injectors will be giving us a spray pattern. So whenever there is deposits on the surface of injector, means injectors are not functioning properly, so your spray pattern will be disturbed, and due to that your mileage will be affected, your emission will be affected, and if it continues, then in that case even you may experience the vehicle breakdown also. So these are the few reasons why you should use fuel additive. Then the second part, what is inside the fuel additive? So I am talking in general, right? So you can take these ingredients in a generic way. So the very first thing is they do contain certain amount of detergent. So detergent will be cleaning the fueling line, and they will be cleaning the deposits from the injector, then the valve stems, and preferably from the combustion chamber also. So they do contain detergent. Then they do contain octane or cetane booster. So many fuel additives do not contain this, but they lower the requirement of octane as well as cetane by removing the deposit. So after using fuel additive, your vehicle may perform better even with the low octane or cetane containing fuel. So that is the second thing, octane and cetane booster. Then the third thing, they do contain the anti-corrosive agents. So as we discussed in the first part, ethanol is having a hygroscopic property, and due to that it may corrode the metal components of fuel injectors as well as the engine components. So anti-corrosive agents are must. Then the fourth one, they do contain the lubricity enhancer. Now with the introduction of BS6 fuel, be it a petrol or be it a diesel, so now this BS6 fuel does not contain any amount of lubricity enhancer agents, and the reason why we are seeing lots of failure of fuel pump, injectors and other fueling related components, because they do not having any lubricity. So these fuel additives are having certain amount of lubricity enhancer agents also, so they will protect your fuel pump, injector and other fueling component. And the fifth one, they may or may not contain fuel stabilizing agents. Now fuel stabilizing agent means now we are having a ethanol blended petrol, right? So which is hygroscopic and can easily go for a phase separation. So our role is we have to prevent that phase separation, and that can be prevented with the help of fuel additives, because they do contain stabilizing agents, so which will stabilize your fuel whenever you are storing your vehicle for a long duration of time. But let me be very frank, none fuel additive or fuel stabilizer can stabilize the ethanol blended fuel for more than 2 months. So whenever you are using these fuel additives, so keep this thing in your mind. So this was about fuel additives, what are they and why they are used, right? So I would recommend you must use fuel additive with the latest generation of fuel, because it lacks the lubricity and it is having higher percentage of ethanol. So after discussing these basic things that every one of us is aware about, the question is which brand to go with. So I would recommend IFTEX fuel additive products, and there are an ample of reason behind it. So I will tell you why I am using IFTEX products since last 10 plus years. Now there are 3 reasons to go with the IFTEX product. The very first thing is I am a vocal for local. IFTEX is a homegrown brand, and you will be surprised. IFTEX was the first brand which developed the fuel additives in India. So they are pioneer in these industries, and they are having experience of more than 30 plus year in making the fuel additive. So this was the first reason. It is a local product, so I would be definitely buying it over the other imported stuff. Then the second thing, they are the OEM approved product. Now this is the huge benefit for us, because let me give you one simple example. Even if you want to change engine oil brand, so manufacturers won't allow you. even you want to change the coolant brand, then even the manufacturers won't allow you, because they are very much certain about their recommendation. And manufacturers always think about the longevity of the engines over the performance, means reliability should be more over the performance. So in that case, manufacturers like Ford, earlier it was Tata, so these are the big names, right? So they have identified and approved the IFTEX product to be used in their vehicle. So IFTEX is the only OEM approved product in India, and this is the biggest reason to go for the IFTEX product. And the third reason, it is very cheap compared to the other imported products, and even dosage volume is also very less. So suppose if you have check other product, then the dosage volume will be 2 ml per liter, right? 5 ml per liter. Some might be recommending 3 ml per liter, but with the case of IFTEX, it is just 1 ml per liter. So 250 ml of bottle will last you for almost 250 liter of diesel or petrol. So cost effective, and that's why I am using IFTEX since last 10 plus years. And by the way, this is not a paid promotion. I promote those products only which are good, and I am personally using it since long. So as I mentioned earlier also, I am using these branded fuel additives since last 10 plus year. I am having a Fiat Punto 2013 make, and another one is Volkswagen Polo 1.2 TDI which is 2012 make. So both the vehicles are relatively older vehicles. Almost they have crossed 10 to 12 years of service life. So personally I am using this product, and I have never cleaned the injector in Volkswagen Polo. So I hope even you will be getting the same result with these products. So let me show you and explain you all the IFTEX product that I am having currently, and these might be useful for petrol vehicle, then diesel vehicle, and for 2 as well as a 3-wheeler also. So they are having a different product for each different segment. So let us start with the diesel first. For diesel, they are having a 2 product. Now let me tell you the basic difference. So this is a one-time treatment, this one System D plus, and this is System D. This is for a regular use. So the basic difference is just in the concentration. This is the concentrated one, and this is the diluted one. So you can use this on a regular basis, and this is a one-time treatment. So IFTEX recommend to use this one-time treatment after every 3000 kilometer, and it can treat up to 100 liters of diesel. And if I can share you prices, then this bottle is 250 ml capacity, and it may cost you 500 rupee. And you can definitely check, some offers are going on the Amazon, so you might be getting it even cheaper. And this one is regular System D. So after using this System D plus, you can continue using this System D on a regular basis. So this is also very cost effective product. The dosage interval is 1 ml per liter, 250 ml bottle, and it just cost 300 rupee. So this bottle will last for at least 250 liter of diesel, and this bottle will last for, or this bottle can treat up to 100 liter of diesel. So what I recommend, if you haven't used fuel additives before, so start with this product System D plus, and then after you can continue with this System D. So these are the 2 products for diesel passenger vehicle. Now let me show you the products for the petrol passenger vehicles. For petrol also they are having 2 products. One is concentrated one, another is a diluted one. So System G plus, this is the concentrated one, and you have to use this entire bottle in one go, right? So I would recommend whenever you are having a long drive, so use this product, and then after you can continue using this System G. G stands for gasoline. So same as we discussed in the case of diesel. So this is a one-time concentrated formula, that is a G plus, and this is the diluted formula, that is the G. And let me tell you prices also. So this is a 200 ml bottle, and it may cost you 360 rupee MRP I am talking about. And this is the System G plus, so it may cost you 500 rupee. And always you can check, some deals are going on in Amazon. I would be sharing the link also. So this is for petrol G plus and System G. And the last 2 products are for 2-wheeler as well as a 3-wheeler. So again they are having 2 products. One is concentrated one, and the another one is the diluted one. So this is the concentrated one. It can treat up to 7 liter of petrol. So you can see system 2x3 plus, and it may cost you around 200 rupees somewhere, and you can get it from the Amazon. At the same time, this is the system 2x3, means normal diluted formula. So first you have to use this. If you haven't used a injector cleaner or a fuel additive before, so start with this product and then after continue using this product. So personally I am using both this product and I am highly satisfied with this product. I am using this product in my Interceptor 650 and TVS and Torque, and always I get the better smoothness, better mileage from my both the two-wheeler. And let me tell you price also. So this is a system 2x3 normal. It may cost you 150 rupee for 100 ml. So these are for two as well as a three-wheeler, one time treatment, concentrated one, and this is the diluted one. So if you haven't used any injector cleaner before, start with the concentrated one. This is common for all these three category, right? For diesel also you can start with system D plus, for petrol also you can start with system G plus, and for a two or three wheeler you can start with 2x3 plus, and then after continue using this normal diluted product. And here we reach at last part of our video. So this was all about the fuel additive, right? And market lots of brands are there, but I have suggested you the one which is OEM approved and pioneer in the fuel additive technology in India since last 30 plus year. So how to check if the products are working or not? So some things are placebo effect. Placebo means you will feel better, right? And some things are some solid proofs. So if I talk about placebo effect or some on the go effect, right? So you may experience a better acceleration, right? You may experience a smoother performance, means your vehicle will become rev happy. And the last one, you may observe some changes in the mileage also, means mileage will be increased. So these are the some effects that you may observe after using these fuel additive product. And if I talk about the reliable proof, then what you can do, you can take two readings of PUC. PUC means pollution under control certificate from the reputed PUC center. So take one reading before using this product and take another reading after using this product for 2000 or 3000 kilometers, and you may observe there are some changes in the PUC readings, right? Means your lambda value will be different, your emission will be lowered. So this is the indication that these fuel additives are working. So this is the best way to check if your fuel additives are working or not. Otherwise you can always dismantle your engine and you can physically check and verify the fueling component as well as the combustion chamber. So this was all about IFTEX fuel additive. I hope you like the video. If you like it, then feel free to subscribe to my channel also, and you may share this video with your friends also, so even they may be getting an idea about the fuel additive products. And hope to see you in the next video. Till then, ride safe and take care.